Have you ever been in the middle of a game only to find your timer acting all wonky? It can be super frustrating, right? If you're dealing with a timer that duplicates and speeds up when you switch views, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. You're trying to refill your game lives, and instead of a smooth experience, you end up with a timer that just won't cooperate. You're not alone in this. Many gamers face similar issues with timers. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my timer duplicate and speed up when I leave and return to the view?" They mentioned trying to use the timer is valid function, but couldn't get it to work as expected. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So, what could be causing this timer chaos? When you leave a view, the timer might not be properly invalidated, leading to multiple instances running simultaneously. This can create the illusion of a faster timer. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your timers effectively and avoid these issues in the future. To address the timer duplication issue, the user should first ensure that the timer is only started when it is not already running. This can be done by checking if the timer is valid before starting it. Next, the user should modify the if statement to correctly check the validity of the timer. The current check is not functioning as intended, so we will adjust it. After adjusting the if statement, the user should implement the logic to start the timer only when it is invalid. This will prevent multiple instances of the timer from running simultaneously. Finally, the user should test the implementation by navigating away from the view and returning to ensure that the timer behaves as expected without duplication. Fun fact, did you know that timers in programming can sometimes feel like trying to catch a greased pig? They can slip away from you if you're not careful. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking the validity of your timer instance directly. Instead of using the optional chaining operator, you should use a straightforward if statement like this. If my timer.is valid, then proceed accordingly. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your timers are properly invalidated when leaving a view. This simple habit can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your timer should work smoothly without duplication. Remember, keeping your timers in check is key to a great gaming experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing game performance.